THE PASSING OF THE YEAR by Robert W. Service (1850–1900) My glass is filled, my pipe is lit, my den is all a cozy glow, And snug before the fire I sit, and wait to feel the Old Year go. I dedicate to solemn thought amid my too unthinking days This sober moment sadly fraught with much of blame, with little praise. Old Year, upon the stage of time you stand to bow your last adieu; A moment and the prompter's chime will ring the curtain down on you. Your mien is sad, your step is slow, you falter as a sage in pain, Yet turn, Old Year, before you go, and face your audience again. That sphinx like face, remote, austere, let us all read whate'er the cost. O maiden, why that bitter tear? Is it for dear one you have lost? Is it for fond illusion gone, for a trusted lover proved untrue? O sweet girl face, so sad, so wan, what hath the Old Year meant to you? And you, O neighbor on my right, so sleek, so prosperously clad, What see you in that aged wight that makes your smile so gay and glad? What opportunity unmissed? What golden gain, what pride of place? What splendid hope? O optimist, what read you in that withered face? And you, deep shrinking in the gloom, what find you in that filmy gaze? What menace of a tragic doom, what dark, condemning yesterdays? What urge to crime, what evil done, what cold, confronting shape of fear? O haggard, haunted, hidden one, what see you in the dying year? And so from face to face I flit, the countless eyes that stare and stare; Some are with approbation lit, and some are shadowed with despair. Some show a smile and some a frown, some joy and hope, some pain and woe. Enough, oh, ring the curtain down! Old weary year, it's time to go. My pipe is out, my glass is dry, my fire is almost ashes too. But once again before you go, and I prepare to meet the new, Old Year, a parting word that's true, for we've been comrades, you and I thank God for each day of you. There, bless you now, Old Year, good bye. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.